You can get you 40, 50 grams of protein with the quickness and 28 grams of fiber. You're pretty much hitting your fiber goals as well, okay, with the quickness. So whether you're going to the gym, going to drop the kids off at school, or just going to work, try not to go hungry, all right? I got a question from somebody that says, man, I need some quick meals that I can have in the morning, preferably a protein that'll just get me going in the morning. I haven't been eating in the morning, and then by lunchtime, they're starving, or mid-morning, they're starving. They end up eating something they shouldn't be eating because they're starving. Try to leave the house with something. Try to put something in your stomach before you leave the house. Come on now, I'm gonna show you some options here. Some have protein, some are just really tasty. Pick which ones, maybe mix and match some of these to fit your personal diet. Now, disclaimer, I always recommend you eat some whole foods first. If you can, eat some eggs, yogurt, cottage cheese, stuff like that in the mornings before you leave. If you can, cook before you leave. And man, let's face it, man, sometimes we're just busy. Right? If you're a parent, you know what I'm talking about. You got kids, man, the kids keep you busy. All right, I'm a stay-at-home dad of 3. I understand what you're going through. So what I'm gonna show you some options I like to keep either in the fridge, freezer, somewhere in the house that I can just grab and go, and it'll keep me from eating something later on in the morning that I shouldn't be eating, or just starving. You know, we all don't want that feeling, but get your morning started correctly. Go with some of these options. Let me know what some of your options are as well that you like to go to kind of grab and go that are super easy to make, preferably a protein. But what are some of your go-to options? Put those in the comments so we can all read. It'll help the community out. So let me show you some of these. Let me know what you think. Come on. All right, first up, one of my go-tos lately. These are great. Have y'all seen these? These right here. Come on now. Jimmy Dean has a protein waffle. Let's go, Jimmy Dean. Now look out now. 2 of these waffles has 20 grams of protein in them. Man, you cannot beat that, all right? You can put these in a toaster, you can throw them in the oven, or you can even air fry these jokers. You got time for that. But man, let me tell you something. Put these in the toaster and then just top them with either some sugar-free syrup, or what I like to go with preferably on all my options, I like to go with this right here, honey. I put honey on everything, okay? I put it on these, I put it on any kind of pancakes, any kind of waffles, rice cakes, I put it on my yogurt, put it on all kinds of stuff. Honey is so good for you, okay? Do you get down with honey? If you can use some regular honey. If not, go with some hot honey. Hot honey is great as well. Hot honey, man, let me know if you get down with hot honey. If you know on that, all right? Hot honey is great as well, but go get you some honey. Instead of sweetener for your coffee, use some honey. Put it on anything. I mean, it tastes great on all kinds of stuff, all right? So get you some honey, keep it in the pantry, okay? But back to these waffles right here, man. Come on now, 20 grams of protein. Have y'all seen these Jimmy Dean waffles? I'm here at Walmart right now. Walmart carries them. Let me know where you get your waffles at, but go check these out, man. Protein waffles, you can't beat that. So 20 grams of protein and some waffles. Let's go, all right? That's a good way to start out your morning. Look here. If you got to go, man, the kids, I mean, you're running the kids to school or you're going to work and you're like, man, I got to get something. Grab you some of these, grab you 2 of these, and you're out the door. Heat it up, take it with you. All right, I mean, you can eat these on the way. Okay, these are so good. Okay, so check these out for sure. But if you can't find Jimmy Dean, my other favorite are these right here. Okay, these Premier Protein Pancakes. Man, let me know if you get down with these. These things are great as well. Man, these jokers taste so good. You don't even need honey or syrup or anything on these. These taste amazing. Okay, so 3 of these jokers are gonna get you 15 grams of protein. Have this with like a cup of Fairlife fat-free milk, which is 13 grams of protein. Man, you are on your way. You got your high protein breakfast right there. That's super simple. You literally throw these in the microwave, okay? So you're out the door, throw these in the microwave for a few seconds and you are good to go, all right? You're getting you 15 grams of protein with the quickness, all right? Have y'all tried these? If you haven't, go check them out. I'm trying to tell you, these things are great. Keep them in the freezer, man. Okay, so if Premier Protein, you don't get down with those, man, check these out right here. Kodiak coming with the pancakes as well, all right? So look here, 16 grams of protein in these. Same thing. So easy to make. You can grab and go with these. I mean, take them with you as you're taking the kids to school, as you're going to work, you're going to the gym. Come on now, get you something to eat before you go so you don't go hungry. I'm trying to show you easy, quick options. Remember, if you can, get whole foods first, but man, we don't always have time to cook. I understand. I got you. I know what it is. All right. I live that lifestyle. Come on now. And I'm trying to help you out, to help you from making excuses. Okay. So if you eat stuff like this, I'm trying to tell you, it's going to hold you down. Okay. Check these out right here, man. man, these Kodiaks, I keep these in stock as well, okay? They also have a waffle if you want to go with the waffle. If you don't get down with pancake style, go with the waffle. They all have waffles. They got pancakes. They got whatever you need to hold you down. Keep them in the freezer. I'm trying to tell you, these jokers are good, okay? Now, this is another one of my favorite go-tos. If you're here at Walmart, or Target sells them now as well. If you can, find this right here, Sola protein bread. Man, this is a game changer. I keep this inside. Anytime I find this at Walmart, I grab it. Look here, one slice has 10 grams of protein. 10 grams of protein now, come on. And 6 grams of fiber. Look, I mean, you just can't beat that, all right? Same thing. Put these, sometimes I just eat these by themselves. I like to put jelly on them sometimes. I'll just throw some honey on there and get out the door, okay? I carry these around with me, and they just come in clutch. Now, you can put them in a toaster, make you some toast out of them, throw a little bit of butter, some honey on top, something like that. But I like to put a little bit of honey on one slice. I know that's giving me 10 grams of protein. A lot of times I'll have 2, that's 20 grams of protein. Get you a cup of Fairlife fat-free milk, extra 13 grams of protein. You just had 2 pieces of bread and a cup of milk hitting your protein goals. I'm trying to tell you, that's how simple it is. When you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, man. But go check Sola protein bread, any Sola product. Okay, do you get down with Sola products? Do you get down with their bagels, their breads, anything? Let me know in the comments. And if you do, have you tried this bread? Go try it out. They have so many different options. Sola's got you covered, and they taste, man, it just tastes great. Pretty much my favorite bread. I keep in stock all the time. Walmart's holding you down. They have them in stock. So let me know where else you can find them. Put it in the comments, because I know sometimes, a lot of times it's hard for people to find certain items, different places of the country. So let us know where you find your Sola products, because man, I'm trying to tell you, if you can, go check them out. All right, I can almost guarantee you're gonna like it. But look at that protein bread. Now, come on now, you can't get much easier than that. Let's go. And speaking of Sola, if you can find the bread, you can pretty much find these too. The bagels, if they sell the bread, they pretty much sell the bagels. You go get you some of these right here. 15 grams of protein, these jokers. I do the same thing. I don't even have to toast these. I carry these around with me because I'll just eat these like before I go to the gym sometimes. Sometimes I need just a quick snack. I'll grab these right here. I'll put a little honey on it and I'm good to go, okay? I talk about Sola Bagels a lot because I want you to try them because they are good, all right? Do you get down with Sola Bagels? If you do, what is your favorite flavor? And look here, this joker right here has 28 grams of fiber. If you're really struggling to hit your fiber goals, this has protein and fiber. Come on now. I mean, that's a win-win right there, okay? You can't beat it. So definitely go check these out. If you can find that protein bread, best believe you're gonna be able to find these bagels. You have this with like your favorite protein shake in the morning. Come on now, that's a breakfast right there. Protein shake and your Sola bagel, man, you can have you easily, whatever kind of protein shake you use, you can get you 40, 50 grams of protein with the quickness and 28 grams of fiber. You're pretty much hitting your fiber goals as well, okay, with the quickness. I'm trying to show you ways to do it. I got your back. I got a question. Somebody said, hey man, I'm tired of leaving the house hungry. I got you covered, man. Go check these out, all right? I'm here at Walmart. Target sells Sola now too, so go check them out. HEB, if you're here in Texas, go check out HEB. HEB has you covered on Sola too. Let me know where else you find Sola. Put it in the comments now. Let's go. Oh, real quick, here's another one of my favorites that you can put on those bagels or that protein bread. This right here, 4 fruits, man, go get you some of this, but measure it out. This is dangerous because you mess around and put a lot of this on there, man. I'll try, because it tastes so good, okay? One of the other things I like to use with this is put this in my fat-free yogurt and mix it in there. You do that, add you 1 tablespoon to some fat-free yogurt and you're gonna be tearing that yogurt up. I'm trying to tell you, it is so good, okay? But you have to measure it. Don't blindly put this in something because it tastes so good, you might end up eating half the jar. All right, I'm here at Walmart. They sell the small ones. At Costco, they have the bigger ones, but go check these out for sure. There's 4 fruits right here, okay? Check it out. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Let me know. Wait, hold up. Look at this. I'm over here by the jellies. Look at this. Jalapeno pepper jelly. This is a Tabasco one. Have y'all tried this one? Man, I have never seen this. Man, I'm all about the spicy. I'm all about the jelly. Man, you put them together. Let's go. Check this out. Have y'all seen this? You let me know if you've tried this. I'm gonna have to try some of this. Classic pepper jelly, Tabasco. Let's go, man. Check this out. Come on now. Oh, and another quick option that I've been having lately. These things are amazing and they're so small. They're easy to pack. Go get you some of these right here, okay? These little Oikos Pros, man, these jokers are, and they taste great, okay? But the cool thing is 23 grams, let me show you how small they are. 23 grams of protein in this little guy, all right? I mean, these things are so simple. You have you a bagel and one of these, or you have you that protein bread and one of these, or however you wanna get down, maybe a waffle and one of these. Wash it down with this. I'm trying to tell you, it is so good, okay? These are great, but they also, they sell them, in a box like this. Go get you some of this, but this strawberry banana one, strawberry banana is really good, okay? 23 grams of protein. I got these at the house, and man, I've been having them, so I wanted to show you. I'm here at Walmart. Go get you some of these right here. These jokers are good, okay? And I mean, look how small they are. These, man, you can pack them so easily. All right, no more excuses, okay? You can go get you something. And if you don't want to get these in the same area, if you look at your Bonnie, they got the 30-gram protein, got you covered, okay? So there's just no more excuses. Go pick you whatever flavor you want to get down with. Make sure you look on the back and make sure it fits into your diet. And if it does, go get it, okay? Use this instead of pulling over and getting something you shouldn't be getting, because these things are great. I keep these in stock, man. I mean, there's just so many different options. Find the one that fits your diet and roll with that. Let's go. Okay, now this doesn't have much protein, but that you can take care of that with a protein shake. Whatever your favorite flavor. Some of mine, Quest protein shakes, Core Power, Fairlife. Core Power has some 42-gram protein shakes that are real good. Whatever protein shake you want to get down with, just keep something that you like that fits your macros in stock. But if you can, go get you some fruit, man. Look here, you're going to the gym, get you some of this right here. Pineapple with watermelon. Man, come on, that's a game changer. This is so refreshing. Snack on this. You got a sweet tooth, snack on this right here. I'm trying to tell you, it is so good. It is so refreshing. It's gonna hold you down. If you have like cottage cheese, you can put your pineapple inside the cottage cheese. If you have yogurt, like some fat-free yogurt, you can put your fruit in there. That will take care of your protein plus your sweet tooth, and you're getting the vitamin. I mean, come on now. Now, another thing I like to do with this is add some of this right here. You ever sprinkle some tahini on your fruit? Sprinkle some tahini on your fruit and thank me later. I'm trying to tell you, it is so good. It's not spicy or anything, it just gives it tons of flavor. Sprinkle a little bit on it and let me know in the comments what you think. Have you ever tried that? Okay, you let me know if you have. What else you like to put tahini on, but I'm trying to tell you, put it on some pineapple, some watermelon. Yep, you're gonna thank me later. I'm trying to show you easy ways you can knock out a sweet tooth. You gotta mix this stuff up. You got to mix your breakfasts up. You got to mix your lunches up. You have to mix these up so that you'll stay on track. If you're doing something right now that's not helping you hit your goals, then you have to change something. Because remember, if nothing changes, nothing changes. Try some of these ideas out. Put it in the comments. What are some of the ideas that you use? Because then somebody else can read that and be like, you know what? That's a great idea. I got a great idea with this pineapple right here. Somebody said, put in my cottage cheese. I was like, I never thought about that. I tried it out, man. Come on now. It is so good, okay? That's why I want to recommend putting a tahini on the pineapple and the watermelon, because that tastes good as well. I had that one time. I was like, man, that is amazing flavor. I liked it. I keep these pancakes and stuff in stock because I like to stay ready. Remember, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So there's no more excuses. You're leaving the house. If you got your protein shakes, if you have your waffles, whatever, your bagels, I mean, stuff you can just take with you. That's what I do. I take the stuff with me. I'm taking the kids to school. I have food with me. I'm going to the gym. I have food with me. And I always have something with me because it's going to help me from pulling over at a place I shouldn't be pulling over at. That's not going to help me hit my goals. All right. So I'm trying to give you ideas so to limit the excuses. Okay. So hopefully these ideas help you out. You let me know in the comments. What do you like to take? What is your stay ready foods? Okay, you can call it a protein backup plan. You can call it a stay ready food. You can call it whatever you want. Just make sure you stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video, and I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.